men are not stronger than women. Women are stronger than men in spirit. But when it comes in our bodies, our bones, men are stronger because you can't fight with a man. But when it comes in spirit, their spirit are not, they are not strong, guys, men. Even they are going through difficult things in their lives. Maybe your wife passed away, his wife passed away. Men can't survive for a long time without another wife, guys, or to take care of the kids alone. What men, they don't survive like women. But women as widows, a widow can survive, guys, and develop. Maybe her husband passed away without finishing build a house. But as a woman, you can work hard, and you can work hard with your kids and finish those projects your men left you. But men, they don't do it, guys. You know that most of the men, when they saw their wives passed away, they think maybe it's end of their lives. Other men, they start getting sick. They are start getting sick, or maybe after 2 years or 1 year, you heard that person, that man passed away. But women, we can survive for a long time without a man when your husband passed away as a widow, and do some of the you can achieve, guys, in life as a woman alone. But men, they are not strong, guys. They can't took or to go in difficult times or alone. Men, they can't do it. But as women, guys, women, we are strong people, especially in spirit, guys. We are strong people. Even you know that your husband passed away, and now you have got kids want to go to school, you want to do some of the project, what women, we can survive. But men, they don't survive because even, guys, I saw even my father, my mother passed away. My father don't can't survive even 3 years or 2 years. My father passed away. You understand? Because what I saw to my father, even his spirit was very different. I saw that now there is different things. Now my mother passed away, and my father now looks like he is different person now. You can saw it that there is different things now, because the men, guys, can't are not strong, especially in spirit. There is many things, guys, changes when a wife passed away. You understand it? Men, they don't survive for a long time, and he knows that his wife passed away, and he started have got some of the problems, or, guys, even BP can go up to men. They look like they don't cry at funeral. Men, they don't cry like women. Why women, we can survive a lot? Women, we cry a lot at funeral, but men, they cry inside. That's why they took that pain, guys, the whole of their lives, and they don't survive for a long time.